Attempting to use the KM Universal version 4 PCL driver, which is obtained here on the public website of Konica. You see that it's there's a couple different kinds of universal print driver, typical type 3 universal driver, but here's the version 4, Microsoft's new platform for drivers, version 4, and then just filtering down to the OS. But this is the particular driver in question. I'd like to use that with my Print Scout. It's a Microsoft V4 driver. I've got it downloaded. And the version of Print Scout that I'm using is the current latest greatest as of today's date anyway. November 29th specifically, but this is the current build 7.11.02744. And the reason I'm compelled to try the version 4 driver is because the version 3 universal driver does not allow correct printing from monochrome versus color. And so I was inclined to try this new driver. Not really new, but anyway. So this is what happens. I'm going to call up my printers here. Here's the Consult, the CAM Secure printer that installing the Print Scout provides. Back to that. So if I manage it, this is where I can set the drivers under printer properties. That's about, but under advanced, I can now, it's trying to use the universal, which we know that doesn't work. The C759 model specific does seem to work without issue. I can apply that and say okay and great, but if I go to the, try to select the universal right here and say, it's got it selected here, and then I apply, instantly Windows just will not allow that to happen. And it doesn't need, I try to click OK, it won't even try to do it, and it'll just revert back to the previous. See, now the universal one that does not distinguish correctly between monochrome and color does seem to allow, but that also throws a weird error too every time. Don't know what that's about, but anyway, the question specifically is the V4 drivers. Why does this happen? Does Consult not support V4 drivers? Thank you.